Trustee of Ishania Foundation.
Hi, I'm Monica Trivedi and I coordinate the Muskan project for the Ishania Foundation.
Muskan project started by Ishania Foundation is a very unique project, keeping in mind old Indian tradition.
Basically, Muskan is a project to help empower women who are financially challenged. So we have a team of social workers who go out into the communities, low-income communities, and identify women who would like to supplement their income or women who've never worked before.
Brand ambassador of Tony donates this garment to Ishania Foundation for Muskan project, and social worker from Ishania Foundation identify underprivileged ladies, call them Muskan Paris.
The first couple of years of the Muskan project, what we had is the Paris were going house to house selling these garments. In the third year, we added a mobile van. Now this van takes a couple of Muskan Paris to far-flung areas that they could not possibly have reached on foot, and the van goes every week and we choose different low-income areas and they set up shop and they sell the same garments there at the same reasonable rates. So that way we have a much larger captive audience and the Paris have a larger opportunity of earning more money. Eventually, one of the ideas with the Muskan project is that we'd like to have standalone Muskan stores all across the city, where we not only sell used garments but used products of any kind that people from their homes want to get rid of. It could be cutlery, crockery, steel utensils, it can be shoes, handbags. Also, we in fact do handbags even now.
My name is Yashoda Sasane. I lost my husband. I live with my mother. She takes care of me. I have two daughters named Sneha and Shweta. First, I stayed at home and did not work because I stayed at my husband's house. I never worked. I was not allowed. And now I have two children, so I have to do something or the other. Sir called me and said a project of Muskan Paris is going to be started. Good clothes were being donated. I felt good. I felt I could. So I did it and I started. Initially it was difficult, but after 2 to 3 months, I got a good response. On Tuesday, we go and select our garments. First we select them, but now Sir distributes them because there are more Paris and it creates confusion. He ensures everyone gets a fair selection. One salwar set, one shirt for everyone. He writes down what we are given and we go home. At home, either that evening or the next day, we go from house to house selling the garments. Some people come to my house to buy clothes.
Our garments are priced as low as 30, 60, 50 rupees, 100. Maximum during Diwali time, we might have very heavy worked items, really good haute couture or designer clothes which we could price at 200 rupees. So at the end of the day, the Paris get 70% of the income to keep for that. The rest of it is applied back into the project because we have other project costs.
They're supposed to come at 11, but they are lining up by 10 o'clock because all of them want to get the best garments.
Everyone is in a hurry and wants more clothes. I wear the clothes, the saris and dresses that comes are of good quality. I wear saris by dress materials and also clothes for my children. I buy Bermudas for my husband. They are used clothes, but sometimes we get new. It is of benefit to us. Send us more good garments. We will be very thankful.
The long-term goal is that these Muskaan Paris will then man these different Muskaan stores across the city, and people identify Muskaan as a place where you can get good branded goods at very reasonable prices, and that's something that the city would really, I think, look forward to.
That your garments can give livelihood as well as dignity to underprivileged who will wear those garments.